It's time to create a mold. I have everything I need here. I have a food grade silicone mold and the hardener. They both come together. And I have to measure everything and make sure that I have a right weight here. It's 100% of this and 10% of this. This is the hardener. Always you shake everything before you use. You shake a lot. This doesn't need to be shaken, but I opened that earlier, that's why. Let's just make sure it's 0. I have a stick here to stir and mix everything too. The trick we do, we create a pad that needs to be made and then we create a mold from that pad. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more though. A little bit more and see how it goes. Okay, this is an important step. I have a calculator over here. So the hardener is 10% of what you use here. It's 9.5 so far. It's clear. 10% of 9.5. $0.95. So this has to be 0.95. 0.95 plus 9.5. So this is the weight I'm looking for. After I add this, it has to be, the weight has to be 10.45. I got to shake it one more time. So we're looking to have 10.45. That's a little bit over. So you can see I have 10.5. It's okay. It's time to stir now. Take these. And after this step, what I should do would be to degas it. Take all the air out before I pour that. But my degas machine is broken. It's been broken for a while. I'm just gonna use a trick to get the air out of this. It's very important so that you don't get any bubble. You create your mold. I like to use a clear cup because I can see everything from outside. So I know that I need to stir more, mix everything properly. So this mold takes up to 18 hours to cure. I'll pour that into it today, and we'll come back tomorrow to pick it. is very messy. I'll change gloves. The next thing to do is to spray the agent release in the box that you created. This one is also food grade. Waist shake. Okay. So there is an important stage here. You see there's bubble in the mixture, and usually I'll use a machine called degasifier. And usually what you do at this stage is to degas. You want to take all the air out. But my machine is not working, it's broken. I'm going to pour that and use a trick to get all the air out. You see this bubble? No good, no good. I have to degas. This is not the right way of doing it. This is not the right way of doing it. It's because my machine is broken, so I found a trick to get all the air out. But this is not the right way. Okay? I had to be creative here. So it's been almost 18 hours now. It's time to take the box apart and see what's going on here. Basically, we just destroy the box, take everything apart. So this is what we got so far. We'll try that later. This is the total failure. So it failed because we have bubbles that were wrapped inside the mold. You can see this is not good, so I have to redo it. And this time I just order the machine to take the air out of the mold when I'm making it. That's gonna make the difference. The air bubbles were wrapped into the mold. That is not good. This is a total failure. So I'm redoing it, and next time hopefully we get it right.